Honestly, life does feel a little slower here.
And I need to slow down. This porch is so relaxing. If this were my home, this is where I'd be most of the time.
I'll show you where I'd be most of the time.
Let's go.
For somebody that loves to cook, this kitchen is paradise.
I love a kitchen with gadgets. Check out that spice rack.
Did you see this?
Dual closets?
My wife would love having her own space.
My husband would too. Every house needs a good drop zone.
Have you seen this workshop?
Wow, this would also make a great craft room.
Honestly, it's big enough to share.
Once you come to this house, you're never going to want to leave.
Honestly, the only reason I'd be walking out these doors is to head up to the pond or jump in the neighborhood pool.
Well, let's go. Thank you so much for watching our tour. We really appreciate it. If you would like a private tour, give Zach a call.
Or Caroline.